Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to organize a small pantry on a budget. Here is the before look of my pantry before organization. As you all can see, everything is just a total mess. There is no particular place for particular stuff. It is not categorized into proper categories. Whenever we had to find anything, it took a lot of time in figuring out where it was. It was a total mess and it was high time my pantry was calling for an organization. So let's continue with the process and see how I organized this pantry and how I achieved my overall end result of a well organized pantry. The first step in pantry organization is to empty out your entire pantry, clean it out and then place liners. For the next step, try to keep all your pantry stuff in a proper visible place. Here I've kept it on my kitchen island. If you do not have a kitchen island, you could also use your kitchen counters, your dining table, or even you could use floor. After gathering all the things at one place, purge. Discard whatever you do not want it anymore. Discard all the expired stuff. Discard all the stuff that you do not wish to put it back in your pantry. After purging, try to sort out stuff into various categories. Sort out breakfast items together, sort out lentils together, sort out beans together, sort out your snacks together, and so on. After the sorting is complete, empty out all the packets and fill all the containers that are there. After categorizing your shelves, group all the things together and put them back at their designated place. As you can see, I've kept all-purpose flour, upma mix, there's some cracked wheat, protein powder. These all stuff are used for breakfast. And do not forget to put labels. Then slowly and gradually I'll be putting all the stuff that goes for breakfast in this shelf. As you can see, I've kept some more things like there is oats in the red packet in the red container. Next to it there is some cornflakes. Next to it is cereal. There is some chia seeds and cocoa powder that we use for our breakfast smoothies. There is baking soda and baking powder. So yeah, in all it becomes very easy when you open the pantry. All the stuff that goes for breakfast is kept together, so you know what options you have for your breakfast, and it saves your time and is very helpful in meal planning. Now moving on to the second and the third shelf, these shelves contain lunch and dinner items. These will contain all the non-perishable stuff like beans, pulses, lentils, rice, pasta, noodles, etc. In all the things that we use for making lunch and dinner. As you can see, there's masoor dal, then next to it there is chole, then next to chole I've kept chana. I've labeled all these properly and then I'll be gradually adding more stuff to it. I've repurposed the container that contains masoor dal. It had some other stuff. When I was done by it, I washed it, cleaned it and reused it for storing my lentils. Then I'll be adding other stuff next to it, that is the chana dal. As you can see, I've kept chana dal. Next to it there is moong dal. Then next to moong dal there is some rajma, that is kidney beans, and this way I'll be filling all the stuff together. So there is some whole urad dal that is I'm keeping next. Then I'm keeping some tur dal next to it, and next to tur dal I will be keeping moong dal. So in all my second rack contains all the lentils and beans. The third shelf contains similar food items that I use for making lunch and dinner. Here I've kept some extra kidney beans, then there are some extra chickpeas, and next to it there is some dry beans. I've kept a basket near to these that contains pastas and noodles. All the stuff related to pastas and noodles go in this basket. It becomes very easy to take out the basket and grab whatever I require while cooking and then keep it back at a proper place. There are some edamame noodles in it, there is some Rotini brand noodles in it, there is some Barilla brand noodles too, and whenever we get some extra or any different noodles, these all noodles will go in this basket. Next to the basket that contained pasta and noodles, I kept container that contained homemade pickle, and next to the pickle I kept breadcrumbs. So this is how my second and the third rack looked, and this was a very convenient way. This is how I could know what is kept in my pantry, and it would help me in meal planning or even preparing list for grocery. Now I will be adding snacks in the snack shelves. Here I've kept two separate baskets. In one basket I've kept some basundi mix, there's some bundi, there's some save. I've also kept some dry mixes from Gets for Idli that we do not use more often. So all the snacks that are mostly savory goes in this, except the basundi packet, as you can see. So this basket is for the savory snacks. Then the other basket contains all my sweets and the biscuits. So in all, these two baskets are for the snacks. Over that I'll be keeping some popcorn, and any other snack that will be there will go here. The last shelf contains all the random stuff that do not have a fixed place to go. Here I've kept two baskets. The first basket that is visible contains different types of flours. It contains ragi flour, hanvo flour, there is bajra and flour that I use for fasting. Behind that I've kept one basket that again contains miscellaneous products or items that do not have a fixed place to go. Lastly, above the pantry there are some cabinets where I have kept a red basket that contains all the disposables like disposable plates, there are disposable spoons, there's some disposable bowls and some napkins. Above that there is a shelf that contains all the ziplocs, foils, parchment paper. So this was how my pantry looked after organization. Now there's much more space available, everything looks more neat and clean than before. It is well organized, everything has a fixed place to go. There is a proper shelf for breakfast items, there is proper place for lunch and dinner items to go. The snack rack is separate so it is very easily accessible. There is a last rack that contains all the random stuff. So this was my overall organization, and if you liked my video, please let me know in the comment box, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel.